Here's a famous black and white portrait of Clint Eastwood. In this video, I'll show you how I recreated its dramatic lighting step by step, entirely in Set.a.Light 3D. Hello friends! To create this portrait lighting setup, we'll be using two light blockers, two reflector lights, and one snoot light. Let's get started. First, we position the light blockers on both sides of the model. We adjust their angle and intensity to achieve the light shape and effect we're aiming for. Next, we place two reflector lights behind the model, positioned slightly to the sides. We carefully adjust their angle and distance to control how the light wraps around the head and shoulders. The goal here is to create clean, defined rim lights that add separation from the background and sculpt the shape of the face. Take your time to fine-tune the position. Small changes can dramatically affect the quality and direction of the light. Now, let's take a look at the full setup, including the placement of the reflector lights and the light blockers. Always evaluate your lighting results carefully. If the look feels right and the image reads well, you're ready to move on. Finally, we add the last light source, the snoot light. It's placed in front of the model, slightly above head level and angled downward. I recommend mounting it on a light stand with a boom arm, so you can position it precisely without the stand getting in the frame. We adjust the snoot light carefully so that its beam stays controlled and doesn't blend with the rim light coming from the reflectors. The goal is to keep the key light focused on the face, while the background and rim lights stay separate and defined. This separation helps maintain clarity in the lighting and avoids flattening the image. Now we review the overall result and make final light adjustments. Pay attention to the balance between highlights and shadows, and refine the setup until everything looks clean and intentional. Our portrait is ready. Friends, this video is part of a new tutorial series where we recreate the studio lighting from famous portraits. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, leave a like, and let me know in the comments whose portrait lighting you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.